Meaning of evening star.
Evening star.
Evening star.
Evening star.
Evening star. Evening star is a term commonly used to refer to the planet Venus when it is visible in the western sky after sunset. Venus is one of the brightest objects in the night sky and is often mistaken for a star. It can appear as a brilliant white light and is often seen twinkling or shimmering. In myth and legend, Venus was often associated with love and beauty due to its bright and alluring appearance. Its evening presence has captivated humans for centuries and continues to do so today.